Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Saturday in the daily newspaper on July. No, it's not July. It's August. Still August. The 29th, 2020. Yes. Let me focus this out. Zoom this out. Yes. We have one regular Sudoku. It's a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, there is also a quintuplet, a regular quintuplet, and an additional with extra Sudokus. 6 extra Sudokus. So a lot of Sudokus to solve today. But we will start first with this one, a medium Sudoku, and this will be number 1, 4, 2, 6. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, so you have an indication of the difficulty level if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars in the additional. The 1 star Sudoku has 27 printed digits or numbers. The 4 stars, 24. Let me count how many printed numbers are in this Sudoku. We have here 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 3 is 12. Plus 6 is 18, plus 4 is equal to 22, plus 3 is 25, plus 4, 29. 29, wow! So it's easier than the 1 star Sudoku. The 1 star is 27. Let me count this again. I'm not sure it's 29. 4, 7, 11 plus 6, 17, 20, 24 plus 5, 29. Yes. So every time it's different with the Sudoku Medium, the printed numbers. Alright, so let's get started. Which number shall I pick? Pick. Let me see. 3, 6, and 8. Alright. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 numbers boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in this box. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So in this column we have a 9 in one of these 2 boxes. In this column. In the column next, we have a 9 over there. In the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 9. Let me see which number I can use. How about the number 8 in this row? 8 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then 3, 4, 3, 4, 6. Missing the number 6. All right. Let me scan. Yeah. How about the number 3 in this column? 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then. Well. 1, 2, 2. Yes. Three. I need one number extra. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated one of the boxes for the 9, because now we have 3 boxes left, empty boxes for the one of the missing numbers at 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 here. Oh, there we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. The first digit, alright. And then 2 numbers left in this row. The numbers are the 3 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 6 and 8, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. But it's a pair. These 2 boxes are also left for the numbers 5 and 2. 5 and 2. It's a pair, so I mark them also. Then 2, 5, 3, 3. Yes, in the middle column, 3 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 7 is missing. 7 and 4. It's a pair. So I mark them for you so you can easily follow. And now 3 missing numbers, the 1, the 2, and the 6 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait for more information. How about the number? The number 777. Yes, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. But we have a 5 in this column in one of these 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. 6 and 5, it's a pair. A lot of pairs today. How about these 2 boxes in this column, the last column? The 2 is missing. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 7. Now we have a 7 here. So this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 4. And this should be a 7. 7 in this row. 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. It's a pair. It's a pair. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 and 4. In this row, we have a 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. But in the third row, we are missing the 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. So this should be a 6. 1 box left in the first row for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 4 and the 6. Let me mark them. It's a pair. It's a pair. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 1. This should be a 4. 1 box left in this row, the second row for the number 2, and 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 6 goes there. 2 boxes left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. Let me mark them again. 6 and the 7. Then 2 is missing, 3 is missing, and 8 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. But in this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. I cannot fill in this box with a 3 because we have a 3 in the last row. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 6 and the 4 are missing now. In the third column, we have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. And then the 6 should be in these 2 boxes because we have 6 in this column. How about the 3 in this row? 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 8. We see, nope. The 1 we have, the 2 and the 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. Ooh, yeah. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2. We have a 6 here. So this box cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be a 5. And this should be a 6. We have a 6 now, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 6. 1 box left in this last row for the number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the column next, the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And I believe that the 6, I have marked this box with the 6. Yeah, because we have a 6 in this column. No 6s in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 6. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 8 and 5. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. 7 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, I have moved the camera. Apologies. But we have solved this in 16 minutes. I'm pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon. YouTube will inform you, notify you when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you in one of my next puzzles. Hopefully you will do the quintuplet. I hate it. Anyway, see you soon.